welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Y'all can really see my destination, where I'm headed. Yes, Brother Motor. Is that a Chrysler they working on? That is a Chrysler. I'm gonna have to go over here and be nosy. That look like a, oh, this is a Chrysler 200. Wonder what he doing. Hey man, that should be over here at Brothers Motors. What are they doing? Okay, what if you need some special tools? Will you have it? I don't know. But anyway, guys, I'm going to check on the mans and them, see what's going on. Brothers Motors had a couple of incidents, couple of jobs over here. Got to finish it up. Yes. Got a non-Chrysler in the shop, guys. I'm about to go find out what is going on, guys. All right, y'all come on with me, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got this Land Rover in the shop, man. Some electrical problems. It won't stay running, it won't stay charged, won't do what it's supposed to do. So I prefer the diagnosis. Y'all know what we came up with. Need an alternator. One quick thing about alternators on these Land Rovers. As you can see, this is an inline 6-cylinder. Look where they hiding it at, guys. Yes, that is the location of the alternator. Yeah, man. So we got a intake manifold had to come off, guys. Hey, it looked like a lot of work, don't it? But when you know exactly what you're doing, hey y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a piece of merchandise. Y'all see that merchandise? Hey, what kind of this silk? Good Lord. Dude, man, these not designed to really work on it.
You know, that shit to keep it cool.
Oh yeah, that material. This is video. Hey, inline 6-cylinder, guys. They hiding the alternator under here. Now after testing, the battery's testing good, so we just come to the conclusion that we just came to the conclusion that the alternator's not delivering, doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm sorry I didn't get y'all the diagnostic procedure, but pretty much just the same. It's the basic charging system gonna do what it's gonna do, right? So you pretty much, as long as you got a basic understanding of what's going on, you know, you got the field terminal. Now I can say this: most of the Chrysler products, charging system is controlled by the computer. As far as Land Rover, I can't commit to that. All right, although most of the technology is the same with car maker to car maker, right? So, but still, when I speak on something, I like to know exactly what I'm talking about. But my man here say he did the test and it came up as a bad alternator, so that's what we're doing. So for those of you that don't know, you look under the hood trying to find a location of the alternator, just know it's under that intake. Guys, always disconnect the battery when we're doing this kind of electrical work. I'm sure y'all aware of that, but we're gonna run the test, charging system test, complete charging system test after this install. It's not one of those just put it on there, then deliver it to the customer. No, we like to make sure. But that's where we at, man. That's where we stand. Like I said earlier, it's not just Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge. This is a Land Rover, okay? Now, depending on the severity of the problem will dictate, you know, if we're able to complete it. Because if we need special tools, then yeah, that's a whole different story. Okay. Man, we spoke about this Jeep a minute ago. I don't know if the parts showed up or if he's still trying to get. No, they're supposed to deliver the parts. Okay, that's my understanding. They're supposed to deliver it. Y'all recognize this, don't you? That's guy bought it from an auction. Most of the auction guys, they like to come. Get them inspected here. They like to purchase them and then bring them here for inspection. Guys, you got to be kind of not concerned. You got to be kind of weary of buying cars from the auction, because chances are it's the reason it's at the auction in the first place. Like, normal people don't sell their cars out of the auction, right? So if you want to relieve or dump off a problem child, that is the best place, or that is one place. Especially mechanics take it to the auction. Okay, like if we have a car here that beating us up, we can't make out what's going on, and it happens, guys. I'm sorry, it happens. we'll unload it at the auction, and it will in essence become somebody else's problem. Okay, so man, I got a truckload. Y'all recognize this truck? This is my it's my Dodge. I brought it over here. He said he had some junk to load up, so I will be man, what this go to? Oh, this is the 62T. I will be making a strap yard run soon, guys. All right, so for now, but that's all I got, guys.
Welcome, guys. Welcome.
Thanks
This
for
is
watching.
the
Comment and
junk
subscribe.
area,
I
guys.
see y'all.
Look what we got here, boy. Do we got some goodies here
on the
for the
next video.
scrapyard? It's about that time again, guys. Scrapyard run. Look, they threatened to call somebody to come out and get these. I stopped them in their track. No, wait. I'll do it. So I have the daunting task of loading all these on the back of my truck, and you guessed it, take them to the scrapyard, and that is what I'm going to do, guys. All right. Doesn't matter what these are, they junk. CVT, I want to say, some inline engine. That's not even Mopar or Chrysler or anything. This is not Mopar Chrysler either. This come out of another vehicle. This looks familiar. Yes, 3.6 Pentastar. Somebody done robbed some stuff on here. Here's a oil control valve. This play double duty, guys. It acts as the cam phaser bolt as well as the oil control valve. Y'all see this little button? So you test these. Now this actuator that go right here actually pushes into this, and it do what it do. All right, somebody got some extra actuators. All right. Ooh, PCV valve. Why all the silicone? Wait a minute. That is a little excessive. Now there's an O-ring that go in between here, guys. You shouldn't really have to put a lot of silicone on this. There's a sealing O-ring that go in there. All right. Anyway, that's not what this video about. This video is about me and my scrapyard run. Another 3.6 Pentastar. Somebody decided to set a fuel pump over here. I have no idea what's wrong with these guys. Remember, I told y'all to be careful how you judge. Like a lot of people, I can see Easy does it right now going, yeah, Pentastar piece of junk. Look at all them engines y'all replaced. And I have to remind y'all all the time that some of these are self-inflicted wounds. For some reason, customers seem to think they can run through a puddle of water, a river, and come out still alive. Yo, guys, with any engine, I don't care what it is, you suck in water, your engine will hydrolock. Yes, you can't compress water. There's no way. So who knows? I don't know if that's the case on these. I just want y'all to be careful how you judge in a particular engine. Some of you guys quick to bash the Hemi and the Pentastar. Stop it. 2.4 multi-air. I have no idea what's wrong with it, why they replaced it, doesn't matter. Problem with these oil burning. Look, somebody left coils on here. In fact, I could use an extra test coil. So we're gonna place this right here. Well, this happened to be a transmission I'm about to install. Okay, guys, they done shut the lights out, so that is my cue. I'll see y'all in the next scrap run, guys, when we load these up. Stay tuned.